is my 2008 Toyota Prius, and I'm having some blower motor issues. I do have a history of rodents eating lines and building a nest in my glove box, which I don't see a nest in here right now, but you can see that like they ate my books and paper at one point. But we cleaned out the nest. Now I'm having some blower motor issues. Not exactly certain if blower motor itself is bad, or which my Prius has almost 300,000 miles on it. So it is very well a possibility that the blower motor itself is bad, but it's also a possibility, which I didn't even think about, that a mouse could have or something could have built a nest in the blower motor, right? So I'm going to attempt to take this off and take the cover off the blower motor and bring down the blower motor myself. And if I got all the tools ready that they said I needed, and if I can't do it, my partner will, but I'm gonna attempt it, because if it just needs to be cleaned out and I can have air conditioning tonight, that would be great. So I'm just gonna, I've watched a video, which I will link in the description, because it's only fair to give credit to your sources. So I don't know, I can't do it one-handed, I know that. So let's see if I can get this off of here. First, I need to disconnect that little clip there, so we'll just start there. All right, I'm gonna put it down so I can use two hands. Okay, I just got it off by pushing it down. Just kind of push that down. Out she pops. All right, so we'll consider that to be the first success. We got the glove box out. So blower motor is up under here. Oh, let me grab the trim tool from the back seat. That's the one tool I did not grab yet. This little, my mom would get upset that my dad would teach me how to work on cars and, swing a hammer and look at my oil, check my oil. I at one point knew how to change my oil. I probably still do and could, and I will relearn. All right, so I used the trim tool to pop that off, and I can already see evidence of rodents, right? So I'm just gonna pull that out, and I'll just move it out here. And yes, I am doing this in a dress, Challenger femininity meets muscle cars, keeping my Prius running till I have my dream muscle car, and then beyond, and turning it into the dream vision I have for it, for being like a cookie car for my bakery or my charity. So yeah, I am doing this in a dress. I am doing it myself, and I'm trying. But as I was saying, my mom used to get pretty annoyed that my dad encouraged me to do things like this. But one thing that he said, so now I just need to get up under here, and I need to remove this here, right? So remove that, and then I should be able to pop that blower motor out. I just need to change my angle so I can see. But mom would she's a girl, not a boy. And my dad always said that someday she may find that her having a man in her life may not mean that man is home all the time. So it's important that she be able to do some basic things. And if she messes up the first time, then she'll fix it the second time. And that's how she'll keep learning. And that is true, right? So we learn by doing, experience. And I don't know if you can see that, how well you can see I put it down facing the opposite way. The screen facing the opposite way from me. So right now I'm out in the gravel driveway in a dress on my knees with a bad hip, bad knee. Because my man, he works, right? So he also knows that I have this secret desire to do this stuff. So I've gathered all my tools according to the videos I've watched. They said I'm going to need a 10mm socket, 8mm socket, Phillips screwdriver. So I'm going to give it a shot. It's the first time doing any of this, and I hate working upside down. So we'll see. And I really have bad fine motor skills, so we'll see if how this goes. Let's give this a try. I'm gonna start with my 10mm. I am gonna disconnect this, of course. I'm gonna have to move it out of the way anyway, so I just don't want to break anything other. I pay attention to how I'm taking things apart, because if I for some reason take the wrong thing apart, or well, I need to know how to put it back together, right? But if I somehow for some reason take the wrong thing apart, it's no big deal. Just put it back together and find out where I went wrong. So I'll take out this other one. Super proud of myself getting that socket right on the first time, that direction there. It's been a while since I've done any of this myself. My love has been very good at taking care of these things for me the last almost 8 years of our lives together. It's just a change for me. Nice change, needed change, but now there's a time where I want to do these myself, and I need to do these myself. So my dad was absolutely right, and my love has taught me so much more since we've been together. His love of cars. All right, Phillips screwdriver. And I rated his toolbox, so he's had all kinds of tools. Okay, grab some cardboard and I'm back. Also grabbed my pretty pink gloves. We have proof of rodent problem, so even more so than I had already known. Just gotta put these on. So hard to put on with sweaty hands. So hopefully we take this down. I take this down and it's a rodent nest and I can clean it out, and then I'll have air conditioning tonight. But I won't put the plate back on or the dash or the glove box back in, because tomorrow the new blower motor is coming, and at about 300,000 miles, with the goal of keeping this going, and for $37 shipped, we're just gonna go ahead and change that blower motor. Anyway, so then it's good and it's got the warranty and all that nice stuff, and I can link that one down there in the description too after I know how it works and all that stuff. So read reviews, trusted some YouTube videos that I watched, and so what I need is some power tools, but manual tools will be fine for now. I'll get there. This is my first project. First repair by myself in over 8 years. Before that, I had my dad teaching me and telling me exactly what I would need, what steps to take, how to do it. He's a very good mechanic. ASC certified. I believe that his daughter shouldn't be raised differently than his son. I'm pretty certain it drove my mom nuts that I wasn't all about tights and ribbons and curls and dresses, and now I am. Now I'm all about dresses because they're comfortable. Back then they were just a symbol of being a girl. And that's how I didn't want to just be a girl. I wanted to be more. Girl, and just a girl implies that all I am is a baby factory, or, you know, things like that. Or I can't do what others can do because I am a different gender than my male counterparts. So, as we know, that is just not the case. May not have the right tools or all the skills, or know what things are called. But that's how we learn and grow, taking on challenges and new things. I still have not gotten that loose enough to where I can get it out with my fingers. So we're gonna go grab a different, smaller screwdriver. Let's see what he's got for me. It's not very organized, so we'll figure it out. Hey, this little guy might work. Actually, this one will be a lot better. There we go. Crypto mining. Can't do the work in the garage because our show truck's in the garage. So, you know, the mini truck takes precedent over comfort during car repairs. Ow, you gotta keep it safe. All right, back at that little one back there. Yeah, that'll work much better.
I'm sweating so bad I have POTS. So like this leaning forward position is just not a position that my body is liking, and it's so like, wow.
You just need to pull. Wow. It's a lot harder than I imagined it would be. Okay, I got this edge over here. So I'm just slipping my screwdriver up in this, where I just took the screws out of. Kind of just hoping I can get it to pop open. Like one side is, so I'm wondering if I missed a screw somewhere. We'll see. Definitely don't want to break it. Yeah, I think I've missed a screw. All right, now I think we'll be able to pop that off there. Let's see. Hey, look at that. Something's holding me up. Where? Oh, it's just getting stuck up here on the trim of the car. Let's try again. I need to get, oh shit. Let's try that again. Oh, you know what? Maybe that's it. All right, whew. Oh man, yeah, there's definitely signs of rodent infestation in here. All right, so just gonna let that kind of just sit there because I don't need to remove it all the way, I don't think. But ew, kinds of seeds and things have come out. Damn, that's awfully hard to get off of there. So, oh, let's see what I can do. Wow, these are, yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to do this because I don't have the proper tools. So, here's what I'm going to do. Unfortunately, I need to put this back up here, even if it's just temporarily, because I do need to pick up my partner from the airport tomorrow night, and this is not going to be something that I can fix because